Today I am going to do sesame bread sticks. This is something different to the normal preparation, and of course after preparing I will tell you what time we can eat. The main thing is bread dough. I have already done the bread dough several times with the pizza and with different preparation. I have done and showed you. So I am not going to make the bread dough, but I will quickly tell how I have prepared. What I did was half a teaspoon yeast, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon slightly warm water, that is tepid water, mixed, cover and keep it for 10 minutes. When it gets fermented, add 250 grams flour, a pinch of salt and a tablespoon of butter. Mix it well. But for this preparation, what I wanted was to use a tablespoon of olive oil, not butter. Normally we use butter for the bread dough, but you can use for this bread stick, you use olive oil, a tablespoon. Mix it nicely, adding cold water, knead it well, cover and keep it till it doubles the quantity. I am going to do the filling now. To do the filling, I need a small bowl and mustard cream. First thing I am going to use the mustard cream. About 2 teaspoons of mustard cream I am using here. And I need pepper and a pinch of salt. Mix all these together like a cream and keep it ready. Now I am going to roll the bread dough, which is already kept for an hour or two. Our climate is very warm, so within an hour it will get double the quantity. Once it becomes double the quantity, what we have to use is a little, about half a teaspoon of baking powder. Also you put, I have already put that also. And what we have to do is, see, knead it nicely. And if it is sticky, what we have to do is add a little flour. But I think we don't need flour, it's already nice and soft, right? So what I am going to do is, I will just cut into few pieces and keep it first, right? Knead it nicely, knead well. After kneading it, make it into a roll as much as possible. Roll it up with the rolling pin. Flatten it. Check whether it's sticky. No, it should not be sticky. Thickness we don't need. Now what I am going to do is, the mustard cream I have used and kept ready to apply. If I use mustard cream and prepare, another time you can use even jam and prepare. If you want to give for children, you can use jam, chocolate, cooking chocolate, like that. You can use anything that you like. While I am doing it, you get ideas. Cheese on top or even cheese cream we can use. Roll this to a roll. Can you see that? It's rolled. To roll it as nicely as possible, and see, it has to join. Once it's joined, roll it up nicely. Once you make it like that, we have already made. I think we can finish off with that. And you know what I am going to do is, with a little bit of egg yolk, brush it. Yolk only, you break it up and use the yolk and brush nicely with a little sesame seeds. And now I am going to bake this. How long am I going to bake this? I am going to bake it for about 20 minutes only. You can have it like this also, rolled and have it. So what will I do? I'll place it there on the baking tray and glaze it. Then we put a little sesame seeds on top and bake it. Now I am going to bake this 180 centigrades and we bake for 20 minutes. Sesame breadsticks are being done and it's very nice. Tea time, I can serve this, and as I've told you what and what we can do with this. Not only mustard cream, you can have jam, you can have chocolate cream or even sausage. Whatever you like you can do, and make it like sticks, like breadsticks, and glaze and put the sesame seed, bake it and take. It's nice. Tea time you can serve, but this I have done for dinner time to have the breadsticks, and I hope you enjoy my preparation. Thank you for watching, and I will come back very soon with another episode.